that if you don't change, we are going to thwart you and vanquish you into political oblivion. And you are not going to circumvent our wrath as the voters and electorates of Nakuru County. Madam Susan Kihika, be very watchful, be very careful. If you have ensured that we are jobless, we are going to be creative enough and turn you our job. We are going to do our job. We are going to turn you into our job. And that job will be ensuring that we take you home come 2027. We are going to shop for new leaders because the current people in the leadership cycle in this country has failed us terribly. When you look at the president, he has no interest in turning around, in bettering the lives of Kenyans. He is interested in securing his re-election, and that is why he is more into